How to use Netflix secret code for true crime. To use this feature, you simply have to open your browser on your device first. It could be Google or even Safari if you are using your iOS. And all you have to do is simply tap on the search bar. From there, simply type in Netflix code or Netflix secret code for true crime. Now, once you tap on this option, go ahead and tap on this show more to view in depth of this specific genre, and from here you should be able to find this highlighted code over here. You simply long press on that code, and as you can see, a copy option it just showed up on my screen. Now simply copy that, then head to your Netflix application, sign into your account, then tap on that search bar from the bottom navigation bar, then paste your specific link that you had recently copied. Now once you paste it, go ahead and tap that magnifying glass to search, and you should be able to enjoy it without any hassle. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any question or queries, please do comment down below.